We brewed a 5-gallon batch of beer at home in 10 minutes. Here's our secret. This is a Flash Brewing Kit, a new way to brew beer. A traditional brew day can take anywhere from 3 to 5 hours, but with Flash Brew, you can knock out a beer in 10 minutes. This is possible because it doesn't require any boiling or cooling. You brew directly in your fermenter, you don't even have to mix anything. It couldn't be easier. Each kit includes malt extract that's been pre-boiled and whirlpooled. 2 types of hops. First is cryo hops, which is gonna impart aroma and flavor, but since we're not boiling, it includes a hop bite shot, which is gonna allow you to get bitterness and BUs without boiling. And Flash yeast is added for a fast and clean fermentation. The result is a beer that's flavorful, light, and clean. So Flash Brewing is not intended to be a replacement for all grain or even extract brewing. It's just a simpler, easier way to knock out a batch of beer. If you're crunched for time, you just don't have the time to schedule a brew day. Say you got a camping trip coming up, family events, you could whip up a batch of beer in 10 minutes. It couldn't be easier. And it's also great for new people looking to get into the hobby. You don't need a bunch of equipment. You don't need a ton of time. You don't need a ton of expertise. You got everything you need right here, ready to go. Learn more about Flash Brewing, a new way to brew beer at morebeer.com.